Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I think we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings and then let's find the display option. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter eye comfort mode. And before we will be able to customize it, we have to actually turn it on, so we will be able to observe the changes. So let's tap on this first switcher, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this eye comfort mode. So right now we can customize it by using the switcher. We can change the color temperature, the intensity of that. We can set it to the left, and right now the screen is in the kind of cooler colors, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. It's almost orangish, at least in real life. So it's up to you how you want to set it. Just pick the most comfortable option for you. And in order to customize it, we can also schedule this option. So after tapping on the switcher, we can set the schedule plan. We can customize it, so we can pick the start and the end time, or we can set it from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. And I believe it is this option is location based. So it's up to you. I prefer to use the manual option, so just this one. Alright, so this is the customization of this mode, and if you want to, you can have much faster access to it, so you don't have to go through the settings to enter the eye comfort. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, and as you can see, after entering firstly the eye comfort mode by the settings, the eye comfort mode icon will automatically appear right here. If you want to do it without entering the settings, you will have to enter this section and then manually add this icon to the panel. So it works pretty easily. Right now it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will get back to its normal state. And the same situation, of course, if you want to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.